Hey guys, it's Mila here. Welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm gonna make a review from the 15 days business challenge from Legendary Marketer. And I'm a digital marketing expert. I work with internet since 2019. And in this channel, I talk about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, how you can make money online and everything about that. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure to hit the button below from subscribe to my channel, and let's go to the video. So here we are inside the 15 days challenge. This challenge is led by David Sharpe. He's the 8-figure affiliate marketer, one of the best digital marketers that we have. And what this challenge is kind of like David got all his knowledge about digital marketing, and he kind of summarized everything in one on this short program, this 15 days program. So David follows this kind of marketing called affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what is it, it's basically a way to make money online where you don't need to create your product. You don't need a physical product. You basically set up these systems to help people find answers for their problems, and you get rewards for that. And this business is very cool, especially because you can work from anywhere, and it's basically running automatically. After you setting up all the system, they basically run by themselves. So what you will learn on this challenge, it's all the fundamentals and step-by-step what you need to create a solid and profitable online affiliate marketing business. And you can get all these valuable informations for only $7. It's very cheap. It's like one Starbucks. And if you haven't started anything online yet, this is the best way to start. And I'm gonna show you guys now. I'm not gonna take much of your time. I'm gonna show like day by day what you're gonna expect. This is the back end of the challenge, and I just wanted to give you a quickly overlook of what you can expect of this challenge. And each day it's with 30 to 60 minutes, and you have a lot of quiz templates, which it's again pretty awesome for like only $7. You're gonna have lifetime access. And this day one, it's all about understanding the system of affiliate marketing, and you have the option to you have a quiz here. You have an option to schedule a call with a business plan advisor, which is a great opportunity because this is for free, and you can get your answers, your questions answered by a specialist and someone to help you come up with your business plan. And you can just mark this lesson as complete, and then you can unlock the day 2. Day 2, it's about the core 4. There's some types of business model for the high ticket, so he breaks down all of them. Day 3 is about building a funnel sales in just 30 minutes, which is a great day because funnel sale is very, very important for the affiliate marketing system. And funnel sales kind of like replace a website, and it's more convertible because it focuses on only one offer. So day 4, it's all about mindset, which you might be surprised, but it's very important because mindset is responsible for most of the success of the of many business. So it's very, very important today. Day 5 is developing your business plan. You can have here an additional class here. Day 6, you have the opportunity to have all your questions answered by someone, as I said before, and you have a lot of here for real testimonials for members of this that took this program, which is pretty cool to check it out. Again, guys, I'm running this pretty quickly just to give you some idea what I expect on this program. And here on the day 7, he actually tells you what I expect with this system method. It's pretty cool to see what people is able to achieve using this method that he teaches on this program. So day 8, it's all about high income skills, what you need to learn and the skills that you need to develop to grow your business and scale your business. And these high income skills, it's gonna apply for any kind of business, so it's a great thing to learn. Day 9, it's about lead generation, which is pretty important because without leads, we don't have a business. Day 10 is about copywriting, which is the ability to use words to sell. This is like also very, very valuable skills that you can learn because you can make so much money if you know how to do a copywriting. Day 11, it's about sales and presentation, which is also a pretty cool training. Day 12, it's about outsourcing. Once you start scaling your business, what do you need to outsource? What are you looking for? What is the first things that you need to outsource, which is pretty cool training. Also, day 13, it's using OPM to build your business. You also have here another hiding money checklist, which you can download, and it's pretty cool. Day 14 is about how to avoid the wantrepreneur syndrome. I don't even know how to pronounce this word, but it's all about people that, oh, I want to start something, I want to do something, and they never do anything. So it's a very important class also to learn. And finally, day 15, which is kind of like a what do you do next? You know, like now you pass through all these the 15 days challenge, and now what's next? So again, I pass pretty quickly on each day just to give you like pretty quickly overview to what to expect. So that's my review for the 15 days challenge. Honestly, I love this training. I think it's a pretty good deal for only $7. I'm gonna leave down below my link if you want to start with this 15 days challenge. And if you go with this link, I personally reach out to you if you have any questions. I'm here to support you. And that's it. If you don't forget to subscribe on my channel, leave the button on like to help me out, and that's it. I see you on the next video.